Good morning children, part 3 video of lesson 1 networking concept. Wireless networking technology. It is a modern alternative to traditional wired networking. It is widely used in both home and business computer networks for a variety of uses. In wireless networking, you are going to learn about Bluetooth, infrared technology and Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. It is a wireless technology standard used for exchanging data between fixed and mobile devices over short distance using. It uses low power radio waves to connect electronic devices wirelessly. What is radio waves here? Radio waves are type of electromagnetic radiations with wavelengths longer than infrared light. It is mainly used for personal area network. Infrared technology. It is the use of wireless technology in devices or systems that convey data through infrared radiations. It is a short-range communication technology which covers approx 5 meters of distance. By emitting infrared wave, it is used to exchange information. It cannot penetrate wall or other obstructions. It is used in remote control or of TV, AC, etc. Wi-Fi. It uses radio waves to provide wireless high-speed internet and network connection. What is infrared rays? It is electromagnetic radiations with wavelengths longer than those of visible light. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It requires a wireless adapter connected to them to capture the Wi-Fi signals. Advantages of Wi-Fi. It is not very much costly. Can connect multiple devices through Wi-Fi. Its limitations are high power consumption, transmission breaks or slows down when there is noise interference. Our next topic is types of network. There are various types of network depending on the geographical area covered by a network. Personal area network (PAN). It is a network of connected devices used by one person. It allows devices such as computers, tablets, smartphones or PDA to communicate with each other. It covers a small area of about 10 meters or about 30 feet. Children, what is PDA here? A personal digital assistant, also known as handheld PC, is a variety mobile device which functions as a personal information manager. Next is LAN, local area network. It is a computer network that interconnects computers within a limited area such as residence, school, laboratory, university, campus or office building. Ethernet and Wi-Fi are the most two common technology in use for local area network. CAN, cluster area network. It is also called campus area network. It is a computer network made up of two or more LANs within a limited area. CAN is larger than LAN but smaller than WAN. Metropolitan Area Network (MAN). It is the interconnection of networks in a city. It acts as high-speed network to allow sharing resources within a city. MAN supports data and voice transmission both. WAN, Wide Area Network. It covers geographical area which includes multiple computers or LANs. WAN connect computers through public network like telephone system, microwave, satellite link or leased line. Most of WANs are use leased lines for internet access as they provide faster data transfer. What is leased lines here? It is a private telecommunication circuit between two or more locations provided according to a commercial network. So children, you have learned in this chapter about wireless networking technology and types of network. Thank you.